We back out here, Lake LBJ. Where's he at? There he is. And James came out. Eric was supposed to come out, but in James' words, you homie. I'm not even gonna say it, so I don't have to edit it out later on in the video. But hopefully we get on some fish. Let's go. And this GoPro. All right, we out. That water's warm, bro. Ow. That water's warm. Huh? The water's warm.
It's clear?
It's warm.
What? What the fuck it is? Oh, bro.
Huh?
This is too weird.
What?
It feels weird.
The thing tracks good though, huh?
Oh, yeah.
You're still going straight.
It just feels weird compared to my other one.
That's why I haven't gotten rid of that one, even though I don't need it anymore. I really like it. Alrighty. First cast of the day. Oh, that was a bad first cast of the day. Done nested up. Hit the dock. This is how we gonna start it off, man. God dang, dude. I just nested twice in a row trying to skip this thing. I'm not a very good skipper with a bait caster. Skip the heck out of a spinning reel. It's not super stable, but I mean, it's possible. I've done it before. Are you caught up that bad?
Yeah, I think so.
Just keep your feet as wide as you can in there and slowly stand up.
Oh my Lord.
You dang right I'm recording.
Okay, no.
What is it?
It's my new one.
Dang, the one I just gave you?
Yeah.
God dang.
Hey, I wasn't even fishing with it. I was fishing with this one, and this one got caught in the tree.
Oh, you had one job.
I got you. You
All
ain't
right.
in it yet.
Pull me backwards. I've got your line. Hold on. I may be able to dig in right here. There we go.
Yes. Hi, beautiful. Sorry about that.
No way. I just watched him swim up chasing it. You got one?
I bet I'm really caught on something.
Don't fight it too much. Don't break your line. If it is a fish.
Oh, I let it out.
He hung?
I can't tell, bro. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, I'm hung.
Buck over there getting him some.
it.
Got it. No way.
What?
It's one of those jet divers. So you tie this onto your line and then you tie a lure onto it. See? And it sinks it down. This thing's to 20 foot. Got a fluke on the end of it. Hell yeah, and a jig head. That hook's trash. Cool beans.
5 hours later.
Did you hear me? You hear me? Another huge school I just passed over. All I have is a worm in front of me, so I'm just kind of swimming this worm. Get this in. I'm not fishing until we get back to that main cove or the one before it. I'm so fucking over today, man.
I'm over this wake.
Oh snap!
No way. Yeah, baby, come on. Get down there, baby, get him. Hey!
No skunk.
Not
No
a total
skunk.
baby.
No skunk.
Hey, not a bad size either.
No skunk.
No skunk, baby, no skunk.
Goodness gracious.
Hope you were recording that.
I got it on my front one. I said, oh snap. Damn, dude. There we go. Not a bad fish.
What's he weigh?
I don't know.
What'd you think?
Oh, I didn't bring my scale.
Not a bad fish at all.
I didn't bring my scale.
Oh,
Dang.
definitely over a pound at least.
Oh yeah, he was about 2 pounds, maybe a little more. Heck yeah. No skunk. Okay, I'm still irritated, but I'm not pissed off anymore.
Which worm were you using?
That freaking Guggen one, my last one, pieces of crap. I hate them things. Dude, he's pretty good. Not very fat though. Not a bad fish. Cool beans. Got one. Get up. No. Got another one. Yeah, buddy.
Are you kidding me?
I told you I had another one. Right off of the back of that jet ski. See if there's any more there. Just got done. Got the yaks loaded up. Gonna head to my mom's, drop them off, and then head to Dallas. Dropping James off in Temple. And I cannot get the smell out of my truck.
What, the smell of fish?
It smells like skunk in here.
In case y'all haven't figured it out, this guy's an asshole, okay?
I can't really talk shit. I only caught 2.
You caught 2!
And we were out there forever.
And I couldn't sink one.
We got out there at 7:30, 7:45. Fished till 1 o'clock and only got 2.
Bull.
It's really crappy.
That's a
There's another
nice
big buck. Oh, whoa.
Oh, the two.
Excuse me, sir. Which way to my mom's? That way? Thank you. Sorry, I got lost. I had to get directions. Oh dear.
Oh dear.
Another one. Anyways, we're gonna get out of here. Hopefully next time we'll catch some more fish for all 20 something of y'all that watch the videos. Anyways, we'll catch y'all later. Don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching another episode of Texas Adventure Addicts, and I'll see you later.